What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No a Premium, back with another episode of the Market Overview. Guys, today was a tough day for you if your bias showed and you wanted the market to go down. You got obliterated. Okay, today was a tough day for you as well this morning if you like to use percentages as stop losses instead of levels. Okay, guys. First off, the first key message from today is patience paid. Why were we looking at calls the whole time? Well, if you watch the market overview, we saw this lower lows on the underlying, higher lows on the RSI. So we knew this momentum, the strength indicator, this is relative strength index, is becoming weaker and weaker. We could be coming near closer to our pullback. This was the first day that we had actually gapped up from yesterday's close, which is right here, gapped up from yesterday's close, held that close on the pullback, and then decided to go higher. So there was no reason for you to even think, that we should be going down further. We were not underneath yesterday's low of the day. Plus, yesterday we said as long as 43.67 holds, just look to get long. It was really simple. Okay, you needed a break below yesterday's low. Now, if you got in those calls with us, you need a break below yesterday's low to invalidate the trade. Okay, to invalidate the trade. So those are two important things I think everybody needs to know. First off, patience is key, always. Patience is key, always. Let the trade play out. If you're trading, daily expire, 0-day expire on the indexes of the cash ETFs, right? Use levels as stop losses because a 20% stop loss will likely get hit. It moves that in one candle, right? And the trade could still be valid. For the trade to be invalidated here, we'd have to make a new low underneath 43.67. If you did the homework yesterday and you had a trade plan today, then you were doing okay. The next thing I'm gonna tell you guys is this: if you're having troubles in a position and you're cutting runners early or you're cutting winners with your stop loss, is maybe instead of trading your full size, position, right? If you say like, oh, well, I have a 20% stop loss on $1,000 position, then your risk tolerance is actually $200. Let me give you one other way to think about it. Why just not buy 2 calls for $100 a piece, SPY, let the trade work out, okay? And even if the trade didn't work out, we made a new low under yesterday's low. Even if you let the entire trade go to zero, you'd still be in the same spot as having a $1,000 position with a 20% stop loss. If you buy less, you become less emotionally attached to the position. Okay, I thought it was important for me to say that. It was something we saw in our Rules of Wealth community today. It was something we addressed, and all of you loyal followers, I just want to give that to you guys as well. Hope you guys all crushed it today. But what's on the docket for tomorrow? Really simple, guys. Jay Powell in the morning. Here he is. Talks at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. What's he talking about? I have no idea, but the market will listen. Have some mortgage data coming out 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's about 2.5 hours before the market opens. But I think everything will be right here on Chair Powell. So just pay attention to if he's going to be speaking, what he's saying. Maybe trade lightly. Now, I'm not telling you to not trade at all. If your pitch comes down the middle, you're going to swing for it. But if he's speaking, just know he's speaking. So if the price action is a little, frolicky, then, maybe take a step back. But tomorrow I'm looking at this zone right here. I am looking at this zone right here for any pullback to hold, 4,400 to 4,408. Okay, or the break of this 44.25 area. As we can see, this was big resistance area up here. So it's either we break 44.25, call it 44.30, break above that, you target 44.40, 44.47 above there, or we can get a possible pullback tomorrow. I like this pullback into this area and look for a long from 4,400 to 44.08. If we go back under 4,400 tomorrow, this could be a deeper pullback, or the pullback is not done yet in the broader sense, but it looks to me like we made the higher low and the higher high from yesterday's high, okay, and Friday's high. So we're sitting good. It looks like the pullback is over. So over 44.30 to the upside, or watch for the pullback into 4,400 to 44.08. SPY chart gonna look the same. Levels. Really easy to see here. Never went underneath yesterday's low. Never went over yesterday's low. Bullish divergence on the RSI playing out very nicely. Okay, we took the calls here and they went absolutely bonkers. Went first to 435, then 462.62. Wait, no, 436.62. Excuse me. So tomorrow, what do you think we'll be watching for tomorrow? Well, I think a good spot to watch for any possible little pullback would be right into this area here. Why? Resistance, resistance. Okay, we had some support off it today. So let's see if we get a dip down into this area. So 434.50 to 435. We'll see if we get a pullback there tomorrow. All we need to take out today's high, call it 436.75, will take us up to this gap, 438.52, 439. Back underneath. We need to get underneath today's low, but realistically, if we get under this 431.20 level, we're going to have to target 429.50 below. There, QQQ. What's going on with the Q? Showed some strength today for sure. Made the higher low, right? Made the higher low. Did not make a higher high, though. Something we need to take into consideration here. SPY did. QQQ different. So tech, let's see. Do we get our pullback on tech? Where does it come in? I would think this area into 461.50. 461.50. You'll want to watch pullbacks into that area. Really don't want any lower than 360, though. Really don't want any lower than 360. I think the safe bet would be 1, 2, triple top here. Take out 465 to the upside, break and hold. Target 466.33, then that big 468. Over 468, go right back on up to 372. 372. If I was saying 400 levels, I'm sorry, let me repeat. Want to hold 360 to 361.50. Okay, want to hold that area on a back test, or let's just break 365. Higher low intraday takes us up to 366.33, 368 above there. IWM, redheaded stepchild, been leading the way, right? We noted it yesterday. Higher low, right? Higher low here. What else do we have? Another higher low. Boom, that's 2 higher lows. Small caps leading right back up to our 184 level. Go figure. Want to watch for any dips into where? 182.50 to 183. Want to watch for any dips into this zone in here. Okay, watch for dips into this zone in here. If we do, or let's just take out this 184 to the upside. Okay, take out the previous day high, 185, 189, 192 above there. Now, if we fail back below 180, this 179 top of the balance has to hold. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. Look, Powell tomorrow in the morning. Just know that if you're going to be trading the open, we have no idea how long he's talking for. If you can get a link on it, good. Okay, but just know he's speaking, so the market could be sporadic. Just know that. Okay, just know that. But as of course, you need to wake up early, get your levels right, and not do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.